Welcome to the deep dive. We're always checking out new AI tools, often browsing places like the AI agent store.
Right.
And today we're digging into one we spotted there, Merlin AI. Caught our attention.
Yeah, it did. Merlin AI, it's pitched as this cross-platform assistant, uses several big AI models, GPT-4, Claude, Gemini, Mistral, Llama 2.
Quite the lineup.
Exactly. So our mission, let's say, for this DIES is to really unpack what Merlin AI actually does. How could it, help you streamline your day-to-day?
Okay, let's jump in. What are the core features? What's it really about?
Well, think of it like a toolkit for when you're online. It offers things for research, help with writing, summarizing web pages or articles.
Summarizing. Okay, like long articles.
Exactly. Or even YouTube videos. It helps you grab the main points quickly. Plus, it does translation. And it works across different websites right where you are.
That summarizing part sounds really practical. You land on a dense web page and boom, you get the essence.
Pretty much, yeah. Saves a lot of reading time.
Yeah.
And it doesn't stop there. Think about emails.
Ah, yes. Drafting replied.
Drafting, replying. It helps make communication just, well, faster, more efficient.
And I saw something about social media posts, content creation stuff.
Right. It can help generate ideas or even draft posts and comments. Useful if you're in marketing or just creating any kind of content regularly. Gives you a starting point.
Okay, so summarizing, emails, social content.
Right.
What about that translation piece?
That seems pretty significant. It handles, I think, over 25 languages.
Wow.
Yeah. So if you need to understand content from another language or communicate across language barriers, it could be a real game changer.
And research, you mentioned that earlier. How does it help there?
Well, by integrating those top AI models, the idea is it can help you gather and synthesize information more effectively, sort of supercharging your research process.
Makes sense. So who is this actually for? Is it niche?
Doesn't seem like it. The
Yeah.
info suggests a really broad audience. Students, obviously, for research.
Yeah.
Content creators, marketing pros, researchers, even general business professionals just looking to be more productive.
So quite wide appeal.
Seems that way, yes.
Okay. There was also this mention of autonomy, a 79% autonomy level. What does that mean in practice?
Yeah, that's interesting. It suggests Merlin AI can handle a good chunk of certain tasks without needing constant direction. Because it plugs into lots of websites and apps,
Uh-huh.
it can apparently automate some of those repetitive bits, like the initial legwork for research or drafting content. It operates somewhat independently to get things going.
So it takes the first pass, maybe? Frees you up?
That seems to be the idea, automating the grunt work.
And it's accessible too, right? Not just on desktop.
Correct. There's a mobile app,
Mm-hmm.
and it uses a freemium model.
Freemium, so you can try it out first.
Yep, you get a certain number of free queries daily. So it's pretty easy to check out without committing financially up front.
Good to know. And underlying all this are those advanced AI models and the multi-language support we talked about.
Exactly. That combination of powerful AI, broad functionality, and accessibility seems to be its main selling point.
Right, so summing it up, Merlin AI positions itself as a pretty versatile AI sidekick, aiming to boost productivity in research, writing, communication, quite a few areas online.
That's a good way to put it, leveraging some serious AI tech in a user-friendly package.
So here's something to think about. How could weaving an assistant like Merlin into your regular workflow actually change things for you? Could it genuinely free up time, maybe mental space for more, strategic work or creative thinking?
Definitely food for thought.
It is. And if you're curious and want to look into Merlin AI yourself or just explore other AI tools out there.
AIagentstore.ai is the place to check out.
Great. Well, thanks for joining us for this deep dive.